Join Tradeonix Pro launch for profits and wealth creation. What is it? The Tradeonix Pro is truly unique, extremely accurate and the best value for money custom-made Forex product. Hundreds of man-hours have gone into producing this amazing product. What can you gain? It will be irresistible as traders can earn highly profitable commissions. The product fits its name, that's because it is a fresh, new method of trading based on proven scientific principles. And they flat out work. Who is it for? People who want to build extra income but are busy with their day job. The course is designed to accommodate the needs of busy individuals. People with no Forex experience who aspire to become full-time traders but do not know where to start. For veteran investors who wants to diversify their investment portfolio. Diversification is a great way to manage your risk, and this course provides the toolkit that supports your overall investment strategy. People who are looking for online business opportunities due to job loss or unable to get a good paying job. People looking to be their own boss and take control of their financial future. People who have traded Forex but have not become consistently profitable yet. For entrepreneurs looking for a profitable and proven way for ongoing profits. What you'll get? Free systems and methods on how to trade Forex for profits no matter what level you have from 0 to pro, and other offers to help you to be financially independent. How do I get it? Click the link below and enter your details. Access for this exciting launch.
https://cudtLY/join-dronch-launch-for-profit https://cudty.ly/join-dronix-launch-for-profit